No, I want to know what is pro wrestling
Yeah.
and how Pakistan can grow in it.
Pro wrestling is really amazing to grow, but since 2016, only REW started pro wrestling. Before 2016, there was no pro wrestling platform. Since 2016, REW started pro wrestling, professional wrestling. It was really hard journey when we started because no one know that what is pro wrestling, and it was really hard for us to train in Dubai, then bring professional wrestling in Pakistan. So day by day, for example, if we bring some international wrestlers in Pakistan, we can grow a lot of audience, we can entertain a lot of audience, and we can tell that Pakistani wrestlers are not only can defeat Pakistani wrestlers, Pakistani wrestlers can also defeat from the other side of the world wrestler too. Just like me, when I was in Pakistan, I also defeated Indian wrestler in Nepal. I represented Pakistan. I defeated Indian wrestler, and I make Pakistan
Was it a
proud.
national game?
Yeah, it was international fight.
Okay.
In Nepal, Kathmandu, 2024 October, I defeated Indian wrestler, and I won the Indian championship belt. So the main thing is we are the people who live in Pakistan can represent and make Pakistan proud and defeat the other countries and show that we are strong, we can do it. We are not only here to be player of cricket. In cricket we are only using bat, but in wrestling, during fight, we are using our hands, we are using our kicks. We are showing our opponent that we are the best, we can do it. That's what I'm trying to tell you, that Pakistan can also defeat anyone because there's a lot of talent in Pakistan. You also know that.